gosh, hey there. Come on in, guys, to my empty apartment. Cat's out the bag. I am moving into New York City and I'm really excited, and I really wanted to show you guys my empty apartment before I start furnishing. It's also day one of Vlogmas, so why not start off with a bang, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, here we are. All right, come in. So when you first walk in, this is our living room, dining room, kitchen. So it's an open layout, as you guys can see. We've got some beautiful lighting. This is it. It's definitely an open layout. And if you walk on over this way, we've got the kitchen. So we've got some stuff here already because, you know, the last tenants actually left this for us and I'm very thankful. Thank you very much. So this is the kitchen, and this is like one of my most favorite parts of the place, of the apartment, because I mean, look at the counters, they're marble. It just looks really expensive, and I just love the cabinets. I love the white, I love the wood, I love the like, I just love everything. Everything makes sense. So this is the counter, and if you come over this way, we've got a dishwasher here, which was something that was really important because I don't really want to do dishes at all. So, got a dishwasher. This is the sink. It's pretty deep, which I enjoy. It has the external hook, which is like, I love this place. So we've got our fridge. There's not much in it right now, but it's a nice, pretty big fridge. And then we've got the freezer down here. This is a nice deep tub freezer, which is all good. So,
damn.
What?
You really don't want to do dishes though?
So, yeah, and then this is the kitchen counter area, which is like, excuse me? First of all, like, is this kitchen not real cute? It's just so cute. I just could not. And then the, what do you call these? Cabinets? Everything. So this is the kitchen, and definitely one of the big selling points of this apartment, but there's more, so I'll show you. Okay, so if you turn over this way, we've got a washer and dryer in unit, which is like, what? But I think actually this was even one of the bigger selling points for me because I really wanted to have a washer and dryer in unit. So we've got both here, and it's concealed by this door, so it looks really nice and pretty. And then if you come over this way, by the way, I plan on having stools across, wait, I just noticed there's a banana, my bad. Anyway, I plan on having stools across this place, which would be really cute. If anybody wants to eat on the counter, you could do that. But anyway, so if we move over this way, we've got the half bath downstairs. Okay, so it's pretty cute. I love the tiling. Yeah, so I love the tiling, and I love that there's a half bath downstairs, just so that if there's any guests that we want to entertain, they can just use this bathroom and not have to, you know, come into my own tent. So, and there's a really big mirror. It's really nice, and I love the tile. So that's the bathroom. If we come this way, it's just like, this is like a coat closet for the most part. Probably pantry is, well, not pantry, but just, yeah, coat closet. Doing what it do. So yeah, and then this is just like, I think this is the entrance to downstairs. So yeah, let's go out to the patio. So we have floor to ceiling windows and a door opening to the patio, which is like, just come see this. So as y'all can see, we have a really nice patio out here, which is like another selling point of this apartment because it's the summertime. Yo, anyway, I'm just so excited. But yeah, I don't know, I may get a grill, we'll see, but just being able to be outside and have this space for myself is really nice. So I'm really excited. All right, so next we're gonna go upstairs to my bedroom. So let's go. Shout out to ADT, because you know we gotta have home security. We're not trying to have any problems. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, which is also my bedroom, so come on in. So this is my bedroom. As you can see, it's really spacious. spacious, which is like, this is literally the reason why I got the apartment, because it was very spacious and everything that I wanted it had. But yeah, I'm probably, I don't know, we'll see. My bed may go over on this side. I may film over on this side. We'll see, I'm not sure yet. But also my bedroom comes with a private bathroom, which is like,
that is clutch.
come on! Obviously, like, the tile is amazing. It's so white, it's so pretty. And then there's also a light here, so you know, that's selfie lighting for the mirror and the I love this place. The tub and the shower, and it's actually a pretty deep tub, so if I ever want to do like have like a bath or something, I could. Not that I really take that many baths, but yeah, that's that on that. All right, so over on this side is my closet. There's a lot of space in terms of railing. There's a lot of overhead space as well. Like, I'm able to pretty much walk into it, so it's a pretty nice sized closet, especially for New York City. And yeah, I don't know, I'm definitely thinking about ways to maximize my space, but I do have an office as well, so we'll see. That's that. Okay, so if we come on over, we've got the second, this is the second, well, technically this is the second bedroom, and this second bedroom is my roommate's bedroom, so we're just gonna keep her privacy, but she has really nice light, and she also has a beautiful bathroom over on this side as well. Okay, so this is gonna be my office slash, I don't know yet, second closet, filming room, I'm not sure just yet, but if you come in, there's a skylight, so there's no actual windows, as y'all can see, which is gonna be really interesting when it snows, because technically it'll cover the skylight, so I guess there'll be no light, I don't know. But either way, I wanted to have a second bedroom slash separate space. That way I could have like just an extra area to either film or work out of, etc., etc., because you know my home is also my office. The great part about this room is there's also a closet. So, and I think this is actually bigger than the last one, so we got closet space. We got closet space. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything for the first floor and second floor. So the amazing thing about this apartment is, as y'all can tell, it's like a duplex. So there's actually like a cellar, like basically a basement, but like lower than a basement technically. And it's not livable, like you can't really like rent it out as a third bedroom or anything like that, but it does, you know, kind of double as storage space. So I'll show you guys, and yeah, we'll see it. Oh, there's also a closet here too, which is like, I don't understand so much closet space. 3 bedrooms? So technically over here is where the tenant under us lives. So she's here. Watch your head. The the ceiling is not very tall. Well, yeah, so if you stand, I can stand a little bit, but if you're too tall, yeah, the ceilings are pretty low. The ceilings are pretty low, but yeah, it's like a whole thing down here. That's the boiler, heater, and all of that. And whatnot. That door leads to like a thingy opening to get outside. But yeah, but it's a cute little area down here too. I don't know, maybe I'm probably not gonna work out. It's just gonna be for storage. But
yeah, it's gonna be a nice good workout spot. I could for you, for your height, because you can jump down. Well,
no, I can't jump.
Well, that's no excuse though. You can still run.
Okay, anyways. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it for my empty apartment tour. I'm really excited for this new chapter, and I've been holding on to this news for like quite a while. So I'm just happy that y'all can finally know what's going on. Look out for like moving vlogs and all that stuff. And honestly, none of this would have been possible without all of you guys' support and just following me throughout my journey. So I'm really excited to go on this new chapter and journey with you guys. with living on my own. Well, I told you I have a roommate, right? I think so. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed, okay? Your girl has rent to pay now, so please make sure you really subscribe. And make sure you share this video. That's pretty much it. Catch y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.